Welcome to this week's edition of the Market Outlook for Indian stock markets. Let's see what the markets have in store for us today. Tomorrow will be the first day when the market opens after the debacle of the Silicon Valley Bank. So, probably we may have some repercussions there. So, let's see what's in store for us. Okay. Nifty closed at 17,412 on Friday, and you can see here it has made something like a red hammer. And with all these problems in the markets, the next stop for Nifty is 17,200, and probably as I have been always been also earlier also said that this line is going to be the bottom, that is 17,100, around 17,100 seems to be the bottom of our Nifty. There's a possibility that people may think that this is not related to Indian markets, and therefore maybe tomorrow we may find a small bounce also. If you bounce because not only because RSI is at 40, but also because the hourly chart shows that there is this kind of a bounce. You can see that here. You can see here the RSI for the hourly chart is around 31. So expectation of a bounce is there if you look at the hourly chart. So because of the news, there is an expectation that Nifty may open lower tomorrow. Bank Nifty has already hit the bottom two times. Now this is the upper band. Actually, the lower band happens to be 38,079. So, but the first top for Bank Nifty, if it goes down, is around same 39,700 or so. So let's keep our fingers crossed for Bank Nifty also. Asian Paints yet to get out of that zone. It has to go above 2895 to start giving a buy signal. So wait for Asian Paints. Britannia, the first support is 4235 or so, and then the second support is around 4052. So uh, anyway, Britannia will come to this 4235 or so. Cipla has been going down all the time. It's now 881. If we go further down, we'll see that uh, I think it should bottom out at around 860 or so. I think this is high time that it bottoms out here. Eicher Motors, there doesn't seem to be any trade because it is sideways. Nestle, there is no trade. It seems to have been going down. It will go all the way. It's already reached the target of 18,440, but doesn't seem like it has bottomed out. Let's see what happens to it later. Grasim, there is no trade. HDFC has had a very long red candle here. uh, the Bollinger Band lower level happens to be 2558, and that seems to be the target for HDFC now. Hero MotoCorp seems to have bottomed out. I think it's been a long time that there's a buy signal, but still there's no buy signal. Let's hope that Hero starts moving up from these levels. Hindalco, there is no trade. Next target for Hindalco is expected to go to 360. Hindustan Unilever also seems to have bottomed out, so let's keep our fingers crossed because the bottom target is already achieved. ITC flag is very much evident. This is the staff, this is the flag. So ITC will move uh, nearly 50 rupees from 380 onwards, but it has to cross this top of this candle, that is 390 or so. If it crosses, then you can get another 50 rupees. L&T, there is no trade. It has bottomed out, but still there is no trade. M&M gave a sell signal on 24th February, and it has hit the target of 122, around 1 to 1220 or so. So uh, we'll have to keep our fingers crossed because um, it may go sideways from here. Reliance seems to be in very bad shape. The next target for Reliance is the bottom of this Bollinger Band, that is 2297. Tata Consumer has been falling continuously, and it has already reached the target levels which I had spoken about earlier. Um, Still, there is no buying, so and there is no trade as of now. Tata Motors gave a scare on 27th February, and then it went up. But since the market is going sideways, I think the stock is also expected to be sideways. If it The lower end of the target is 428, at the higher level it is 443. Tata Steel seems to have bottomed out, and then we can expect a slow recovery up to 114. Wipro, there is no respite. I think Wipro is on the way to go to 377. Apollo Hospitals, it broke out, reached the target the next day, and then from then it has been falling. So this fall will, I think, will take it to 4243, and then the bottom of this candle, that is 4170. Reddy, same case. I think there's no trade on this. Titan, there is no trade. It's expected to go down. SBI, people shorted SBI, but then it has fought back. Um, let's hope that it fights back. And I think the target for SBI should be 576 or so in the first in this week. BPCL, there is no trade as of now. Kotak Bank, you can see it has been falling regularly. This time, I think it is going to breach this lower level also. Uh, I don't know. I think Kotak Bank is poised to go to 1650 at least. UPL, last time also I said this is in a band, this is going in a band. So it has bottomed out here at 690. So you can expect 750. So 690, 750 seems to be the band. Uh, Silicon Valley Bank's loss, maybe Infosys's gain. Let's hope that this comes true. Um, because of the green candle I'm talking about, like this. So first target 1494, Next target 14, sorry, 1539. Bajaj Finance, sorry, no trade. Adani Enterprises, all the dirty work seems to be over. So you can expect 2423 on 24302425, something like that. Around 2420 in the next week. Sun Pharma, there is no trade. Still going down, it will keep going down. JSW Steel, there is no trade, it will keep going. It seems it will keep going down, goes to around 614 or so. HDFC Bank seems to have it has hit these levels 1579 many times. If it breaks this, then you can expect a big breakdown. And if this breakdown happens, I think first 1538 and then 1475 or so. TCS broke down, but it has given a good green candle, and I'm hoping that this candle will take it to this level of 3369 or so, and from there we can see some recovery in TCS. ICICI Bank, very bad chart. You can see a big gap down opening on Friday. um, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I'm not making any judgment on this. Power Grid has already reached its target and come back, so it will be sideways now. Maruti gave a breakout, but this breakout has not worked. It gave a breakout on 24th January. One of the targets it's reached 9031. From there, it has been moving down, and the way it has been moving down, I think it will breach this 8436 and then go down to 8153. IndusInd Bank, all these banks are expected to have some fallout from the Silicon Valley Bank. I don't know, but IndusInd Bank, I don't think has any problem. It is in the bullish zone, so we are still on course to go to 1,200. Axis Bank 851. It will go up only if it crosses 890. HCL Tech, the breakout level is 1148. So until then, fingers crossed. ONGC, if it crosses 158, then it is in for some fireworks. I think 10 rupees from there. NTPC has given phenomenal breakout, and then um 183 is the high. If it crosses 183, then we can find some more fireworks there. Coal India is on the verge of a breakout. If it breaks out about 226, then first target would be 232. Bharti Airtel was trying to break out on Thursday, then Friday it has given a green candle. I think it should break out in this week. If it breaks 790, then next target would be 815, then 822, then 850. Tech Mahindra new CEO. So let's see if this new CEO, new MD CEO will make some difference on Monday. 1096 is the target. Divi's Lab no trade. Adani Ports have been earlier also have said this is poised to go to 850, 870. HDFC Life is a long-term bet. Keep accumulating. SBI Life is a long-term bet. Keep accumulating. Ultratech, very interestingly, Ultratech I think has consolidated at these levels. If it crosses the 7426, then we can see some real fireworks happening, something like 500, 600 rupees on it. Bajaj Auto seems to have recovered very nicely. It has to cross first first hurdle will be 3904. Next hurdle will be 3942. Bajaj Finserv seems to have lost out on the steam, so we can expect again. Uh, if it breaks down 1315, then it will go back to 1261. Well, we come to the end of this edition. Please like, share, subscribe, and also please tell your friends, relatives to share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.